Hello, if your product page on Shopify looks like this, I will show you how can you convert it to something like this, where you show all different versions of the product, or maybe something like this, where you show more details like price and the name of the color, or maybe something like this, where you show just colors or texture of the products. So let me explain how it works. Your setup probably looks like this because you created all products separately. So this can be for different reasons. For SEO, this has a lot of benefits, and it has also benefits when you are selling in different sales channels. So that's very common problem. And now you want to link all these products together, as I showed before in the example. So I will show you the solution. We are going to use this Shopify app called Rubik Combined Listings. I am founder and developer of this app, so I will show you how it works. First of all, when we will install the app, we will see this simple setup where we need to complete two steps. First of all, we need to activate the app on our theme. So I'm going to activate it on Horizon theme, click on Save. Then we can simply close this tab. And we see it's already enabled, so we can close this part. And now we need to complete second step, which is creating a product group. So I'm going to call this product group handbags, and let's select our handbags here. They come with different material and different colors. So we set up them like this. So I want to show these ones last. So let's move them like this. And now we can fill this manually, or we can use our magic fill feature, which is going to fill all these values for us. And it's also going to set colors for us, because we recommend on product cards, if you prefer to show this also on product cards, to show actually colors. That's easier to see for users. And now we can just simply save. After saving this, we can click on View on Store, and we can click on Product Page Swatches. So here we see our product page swatches. This is by default. We'll set up it like this for us. And now, it's already a big improvement in our page, because users can see other versions of our product, and it will increase a chance of them buying it, and better for our conversion rates. Let's go back now and make some changes here. So as I showed you, we can show it in different versions. So here you can choose different versions of it, and everything is possible here. So we have even like buttons, drop downs. You can show it like this, or you can show it as a circle with buttons, like with images. Without price, you can show it like this. So many different options are possible, and you can also customize on top of it as well. Like after choosing these options, you can also customize it further. So I'm going to choose this simple version, and let's save it so far. And then I can also put some of them under different categories. So let's do that. So here we have set category button. So these ones are Merino. So I'm going to add new category, call it Merino. Save it. Yes. And now you see it's under different section. Let's do it for others as well. Now I don't need to create category, it's already created, so I just need to select it. And for this one as well, let's select the category. Different material, we can display them differently. And for this one, we can also say color, or we can even call it leather or something like that. And let's also see first of all how it looks like this. Yeah, it will look like this, so it will be easier for users to navigate here because they see all different versions. And as I showed you also, we can set also custom images here. So let's set also custom images. Here we can select this custom image, and then we can also select here a custom image. We are using a meta objects feature of Shopify, so that can be really for performance reasons it's really good, and everything syncs very fast. Okay, now we just want to change it here, so let's go click here, and we can select a source of image from here. So we want to select this custom source actually, which is going to show colors, and if custom images set is going to show custom images. So that can be something like this. Let's go to the page and see how it looks like. Yeah, it will look like this, but some of the settings can be a little bit overwhelming, too many settings. So we also built this AI assistant, which you can just give simple commands. Make swatches circle smaller. So it understands basic commands. Reduce the gap. So it will reduce the gap between swatches, so it will look like this. So let's save it and see. So basically this one is the version which we just set up, and it can look like this. And also it's possible to show swatches on product cards as well. So as you see, it will be shown on the places like homepage, the cards here, so users can actually hover on these colors, and then they will see the version that they like. And this also will be helpful in many areas. It also works here, like in search overlay, on all the catalog pages. Also it will be displayed. Also it's just they click on +2 and see more different versions of the product, so users can easily navigate all different versions of your product. Yeah, and hopefully it will increase your sales. Have a great day, and if you have some questions, ask us in the support. We are always available. You can just click here, and we are happy to help you. Have a great day.